Hi guys, welcome to Creative Krish. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your YouTube channel so that you can get more sections to it and your channel will also look so beautiful. So this is the basic view of an YouTube channel. So to customize it, you can click on the customize channel option over here. So it takes you to a new page in a new window. So it's called a YouTube Creator Studio. So from here you can upload videos. So I'll give you that link in description how to upload videos. And here you can view channel and you can add trailers and do many more customization for your channel. So to add sections to make it more, we are going to click on the add section option over here. So here first let's add the popular uploads. It gives a new section. Then next we'll add short videos. If you have created short videos, then it will get uploaded from the next time. You can upload live now videos if you have it, and the past live streams and the upcoming live streams. So these I don't have any videos for now, so it's showed 0 or else it would come like this. So after this you can add a single playlist. So I have HTML basic playlist. I'll give you that link also in the description. You can see it. Clicking on this leads you to a new playlist over here. Then you can add another section of single playlist, that is another YouTube. So here that playlist comes here. Then next I'm going to add a created playlist. So it shows the playlist whichever I have created. So created playlist, it gets added at the end. So after that you can add one more section, the subscriptions. If you subscribe other channels, that will show up here. And one more section you can add is future channels. So if you have any feature channels, then you can give that channel name and then you can get uploaded it over here. So once the customization is done, you can add trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So click on the add option. It shows the videos you have published. You can select one from here. So I'm on this video, and for future video for returning subscribers, that one also you can add. So click on the add option, select that video you have uploaded and click on the publish option. So once you have published it, you can click on the go to channel or simply go to your channel page and reload it. So what happens now is you'll be getting a trailer video and there will be more sections. Come on, so let's see it. Yeah, so we got it. So we got our trail video here, and we got the description of our channel, and we got our uploads, popular videos, then our channel, created playlist, then playlist and created playlist we got. Like this you can add more customization by adding the banner image and the link. So add that, click on the branding. Here you can add the picture, click on change to change it. I have already uploaded here. And banner image you can upload it, but make sure you have it in the size of this 2048 into 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. And you can add video watermark. So this is my video watermark. It's the same logo. Let it be in the entire video or custom start time and end of the video. You can change it, and you can change this logo by clicking on the change option or remove. So if you have not added it, will be like option to upload. So you have not done any changes, so it's like view channel and there's no publish. And the basic info, it's the name, description. You can change it according to you want. That's all guys. If you have any doubts regarding this, or if you want to know any more things regarding how to customize an YouTube channel, you can give the comments in the description, and if you have any doubts you can comment below. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Thank you.